Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all doing awesome. In today's video, I'll show you how to get GP in football or eFootball, the main currency you will need for signing players and to strengthen your team much more and to dominate every match you play. So let's get right into the video. GP is mainly earned by playing matches, whether it's online event, 2 matches or standard play. Every game rewards you with GP. You can also collect GP from reward events and campaign objectives. Always check the mission tab because completing them can also give you big GP bonuses. You can always choose check your missions over here and complete them and get more GP on your account. Another easy way is to daily login bonuses. Make sure you log in regularly so you don't miss free GPs as well. Lastly, if you level up your manager or complete special achievement, you will often get GP as a part of rewards, and that's how you can get GP in eFootball. Keep grinding matches, complete missions and log in daily to build up your balance. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips and drop a comment with how much GP you have saved so far. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.